Okay, let's talk about what happens if a bill is stuck in a committee and everybody seems to want to talk about this bill, yet the committee refuses to act on it. We mentioned that the committee is where most bills go to die. Um, and the Speaker of the House in the House of Representatives can send a bill, or the leadership in the Senate can send a bill to committees based on, like, hey, this is going to be a friendly committee and they're going to vote it out. We're going to get to talk about this thing as a big group. Or they can send it to a committee that they know is going to squash it and either vote to kill it or just leave it stuck there forever. Now, let's just say, again, a committee doesn't move on a bill or thinks favorably, but yet the rest of the body, so that's either the House or the Senate, likes the idea and really wants to talk about it. They could issue what's called a discharge petition. This is very simply just it pries that bill out of committee and brings it before the whole group, so the whole group can talk about it. They can vote on it. It's almost like an internal check and balance that Congress has on itself, where they can, again, if this group just doesn't like it and they're ruining it for the rest of us, we can issue a discharge petition, pry that bill out of the committee, and we can have some discussions on whether, as a whole group, we think this bill needs to go forward and it needs to become a law. So, again, it's like an internal check and balance. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. Otherwise, I will be seeing you.